Hello friend, this video is review for Aqua Oasis Mist Humidifier. Why humidifier and how to use this in our daily life. First of all, why humidifier? If you or any of your family member have problem like regular snoring, chronic sinusitis, dryness, regular itchy of your skin, nose bleedings, dry nostrils, breathing problems, regular throats, dehydrations, this product is perfect. This product puts moisture in the air and maximize to solve those problems in our daily life. So for everyone and basically for kids, old and sick people in our home, this product is wonderful and excellent value for our money. Now let's unbox it and let's see what's inside and how to set up and how to use it. First of all, gently unbox this and separate all those parts. There are three main components included inside this box. Nozzle, this is brush to clean. The main part of this tank, water tank, this is 2.5 liter capacity and lids. This is 360-degree rotated nozzle, and this is main base. Base has control. You can control, turn off, on, and you can switch how much you need that. This how to clean. You have to clean nozzle and a base, even water tank. It should stay on proper place this way. How to use this? Remove the nozzle, lift water tank, unscrew cap from tank, then fill up water. Fill up water up to 2.2 liter. This work for 24 hours for 4,000 square feet bedroom. This is easy to assemble, carry and refill. Let's start now. So we fill out already water. So put this water tank on the base. Turn electric switch on and turn control switch on and adjust as your room size need. It's good to go. Now we have sleep oil. Don't forget, clean its base, tank and nozzle time by time. After water down, this will auto shut off. It's time to sleep oil yourself and let others sleep oil. No one is going to disturb you and your dreams. You will see morning with sunshine. Thank you. Happy, healthy life.